So guys, coming from Onueke, we can't just pass without giving you updates of the international airport. Guys, my god, I don't know, sometimes when I visit some project like this that the governor is doing, I can't help but just shout him out. Like, he's trying, though human being, nobody is perfect, but I think he's good. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Helen Konko as usual. So today in our video we are going to give you guys updates of the international airport. Out from Onueke, the next place you find yourself is this flyover they are making new, which is the flyover of the international airport. Okay, and this is it, we are here. I just want you guys to see the flyover. That's why I started from there. So guys, what have you to say if you've been following my updates of this Abakaliki International Airport? What have you to say from the gates? The first changes I notice here, aside from the flyover, is the painting. Look at it, the painting that started in town. I don't even know they've already done this one already, like black and white here. Okay, but the one that is like slab, they paint the slab green on top to give it green effect. Guys, look at the kind of machines that are here, like the kind of construction equipment here. If you see the kind of work they are doing here, wait now, I could not enter first.
Skimsy, the producer.
Are you saying what I'm saying? Are you saying what I'm saying? Let me use that wrong English language. Okay, so guys, just look at, you know, there was this comment on my last vlog of the international airport that was saying as if he will abandon this project, but I don't think he is willing to abandon this project, but I pray he gets to finish it before he leaves in 2023.
Skimsy, the producer.
The lights, the road, so many buildings are even ready here. Like, I can see one that they inscribed on it, Presidential Lodge. But just keep watching yourself, guys, keep watching. Guys, the kind of massive construction work going on here is just in fact, it's just I don't know language to use, I don't know words to use and qualify it, but oh my god, this is just massive. God.
Skimsy, the producer.
Okay, and I think this is the ticketing unit, which is the arrival and the departure area. There is massive work, as in construction work, going on in here. Look at people on top, down, everywhere. I don't know if you can see them properly. I'm trying to get it closer so that people will see it, but oh my god. Well, next time when I'm driving alone, or if I can beg hobby again, I'll come in and film it properly for you guys. what do you think? But for me, I think that this is going to be the largest, biggest, look for another word again and drop at the comment section, as in airports in southeast Nigeria. That's oh my god, I think is well planned, well organized. Everything is just so sweet about this airport. Guys, what do you think? Please drop it in the comment section too. If you have been following my airport updates, I think from last year I've made like 3 or so. I don't know if this one is going to make it the 3rd one or the 4th one, but guys, you're going to see massive change. Please, if you've been following that, drop it in the comment section too. So guys, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it, so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, my newest subscribers, God bless you all. Helen loves you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. So we are leaving now. I'm sorry we didn't go around like we used to do before, because I guess hubby was tired after the onueke visit, but at least this is good. Then guys, I want you guys to observe this flyover very well. That is why I left it again, for you guys to feed your eyes on the progress of the work. So guys, what do you think? What do you think? Please drop it in the comment section, okay? Me, I'm happy. I'm just happy. I don't know why. But are you happy with me? Please drop it in the comment section. Let me know. I just want to know your opinion, what you think. Look at the flyover. Just look at it. Oh my God. Guys, it's one thing to have vision, it's another thing to have the will. But it's a lot when you have both the vision and the will. I think Ebonyi State Governor is trying to some extent. What do you guys think? Drop it in the comment section. This is where we are going to end our vlog. Bye bye. Love you guys.